Hi guys, today we are going to unbox and try out this new kitchen gadget. It's called a Starfrit citrus juicer. So it's actually electric, and as I'm turning it around, you'll see all those things that is on it. And basically it's supposed to juice citrus like lemon, lime, grapefruit, oranges in a quick and timely manner. Apparently it's supposed to be easy to clean and all of that. So let's check it out and see how it works. Just keep in mind too, I do have an expensive juicer, and it's kind of handy to have something quick and easy. So let me open the box. So that's the cone, the small cone. That's the cover. That's actually two-piece, and the cap, and that's the machine. So that's actually the container. I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna come back. So they're washed, and there's the lemon, a lime, and an orange. I cut some over there, and we're gonna just put it together and according to the box, and then we're gonna try it out. So put on the cover there. Actually, that is two pieces in one with the switch on it as well. And you see that little knob, it turns it on and off. I'm putting on the small cone, and to use it, you turn this knob on and then you press on it, and it should work with the citrus. So that's actually a lime. It's really tough and old, but I'm going to try it anyway to see how it turns out. Yeah, so the lime is actually really dry, and it wasn't a good one, but I'm trying it anyway. But that's not a good test, so it's what it is. I'm going to try the lemon. It's actually doing really good. Yeah. So we're gonna see how it turns out. Voila, look at that. Actually do better than I thought. It takes out so much of the juice, and you can see the juice in the container, and also on top of it you see the seeds, and it's catching the pulp. So I'm trying the orange now. It is doing the exact same thing. Wow, it's actually doing a very good job, and I got a good amount of juice. So I'm going to try the other part of the lime and see how it works. Coincidentally, I actually got a little bit of lime juice out of that old lime, the other part, but it wasn't a lot. So, and all I can say, it works. Okay, so I'm going to just try some more of the lemon and lime. I'm going to juice it out. I'm going to see how it turns out. Pretty good. So I'm trying the other piece of orange, and that one is all over the place, and it still work. That orange was broken up, as you can see, but it still work. So for an inexpensive machine, I would say go for it. It's actually quick, easy, very easy to clean as well. And I got the juice within minutes. So it's actually worth it for just your citrus juicing in the morning. If you don't want to go through the hassle of opening up your big juicer, it's actually good to juice an orange, a grapefruit, all that stuff. You see all the pulp on top of it. If you like pulp, you can just pour some of the pulp in it. See how easy it comes apart. And I'm just going to pour it in a glass so you can see. And that's what I got in the glass now, from 2 oranges, a lemon, and a somewhat little bit of lime. So I'm going to test it. It's actually going to be an interesting taste because of that lemon, lime. So I'll taste it. Yeah, that was a lot of citrus, but it turns out really good. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to try another gadget.